This group of interns has collectively earned 740 certificates and even modules this year as part of our Career Connect program.
These award winners are exemplars of our community, and this is such an exciting milestone for you all. These young people have gained real-world experience, and that's so important. Not only the hands-on skills, but the skills you learn by talking with your coworkers and your colleagues and people who have more experience than you. That is something that not a lot of young people in high school or in that age group get. So you all are a step ahead of a lot of other young people in the city and in the country.
Our award of excellence. They are the one person that stands out, does things to cooperate, help others in the shop to get things done.
The award goes to Jennifer Rodriguez Bandiera. Congratulations!
Jennifer is the first young lady in the history of the program to receive the Award of Excellence, and I'm happy to see that she is sitting next to the first deputy mayor, also first Latina female in the city's history.
It's my understanding that this is the 11th year of that program. Is that the most long-standing program that we have? Yes. And it's also a model for other cities. So other cities are doing what Tulsa's doing because of this program. The team at the City of Tulsa shared that 14 interns from this program have gone on to be hired. There's always something to learn from others who've gone before you, but you know what? You're also teaching those that you're working with who are older than you too. And so that is a two-generational approach to workforce development, social cohesion, and making connections. You are the future of Tulsa. You're going to be in the workforce full-time soon. In whatever path you want, just know that the City of Tulsa, all the Mayor's Office, administration, all 410,000 people that live here in the City of Tulsa, we are behind you, and your success is the city's success. So congratulations to everyone.
I appreciate you all attending, and I wanted to go ahead and give our interns another round of applause.